KaoMing 40 Years, New Prospects. The KaoMing Machinery Company was founded in 1968 in a lane at Chongcheng Road, Hongyuan City, Taichung County, with 8 employees and a capital of 35,000 NT, equivalent then to the national income of 70,000 NT. The founders were the late Mr. KaoMing Chang and his late wife, Mrs. Mei Sha Tsai Chang. The company specialized in manufacturing universal cutter grinders in the early years, as Mr. Chang drove a small truck to sell products throughout the island. From 1970 to 1973, KaoMing became the first manufacturer in Taiwan under its R&D technology to introduce the vertical milling head of double column planer, the plane grinder, and radial drills in succession. The company was reorganized and in 1972 was renamed the KaoMing Industrial Company Limited. As the national industrial development was at its budding stage then, it boosted the rapid growth for export markets that resulted in machine tools to be in high demand. As the factory was small and located in a lane, Mr. Chang then decided in 1973 to build a new factory at Sanfeng Road in Hongyuan City to expand production. In 1974, KaoMing Machinery was moved to its current site, housing KaoMing's headquarters. The national income was then at 90,000 NT. The quality universal cutter grinder and precision radial drills received high praise in the market, and that further contributed to its current achievements. Radial drills by KaoMing were the first in Taiwan to be awarded the CNC mark, National Standards of the Republic of China, in June 1982, honored by an exemption from export inspection. The government policy then governed export inspection required of all exports to increase the quality of export goods. 95% of its products are exported to markets in Europe, America, and Japan. In 1982, the KaoMing Industrial Company Limited was reorganized as the KaoMing Machinery Industrial Company Limited. In 1983, the company embarked on a business transformation when the double column machining center was established, the first one in Taiwan, to engage in R&D of bridge-type CNC machines. KaoMing owns big double columns and other processing facilities to manufacture important components, ensuring quality and delivery. We also have a variety of top-notch measuring equipment and instruments to inspect parts, components, online production, and final products. With a professional R&D team specializing in research and innovation of double column series, KaoMing was the first company in Taiwan to successfully develop the model, as well as the only manufacturer focused on producing double column series. 80% of the models developed and produced by KaoMing are double columns under modular production with several patents, and we're proud to have the best machining performance and fastest delivery. KaoMing also has the innovation ability to develop large gantry-type walking beam machining centers and 5-face multi-phase machining centers that have earned us the positive recognition from our customers around the world. KaoMing has built its own marketing network of professional agents with products exported to more than 60 countries and 200 service stations set up around the world. We have embraced our business principle, which is to offer customers the most on-time services and to satisfy their needs. KaoMing also has the honor of being the appointed facility supplier of many large international enterprises. In 1988, KaoMing became the first machine tool manufacturer in Taiwan to launch its business in China by establishing marketing and sales beachheads throughout the country. We have also set up a warehouse for spare parts held in reserve to offer quality customer services directly and rapidly. KaoMing also owns the top brand for gantry-type processing machines in Taiwan. To keep our competitive edge, we insist on the professional steps of continuous innovation and development, offering fast and on-time services and making real-time responses to customers' demand. Led now by the family's second generation, in 2007 KaoMing applied to establish a factory in the central Taiwan Science Park. This was done in order to construct the most advanced air conditioning workshop and to offer on-time and rapid service to meet customers' needs, pursue more perfect precision technology, and train young industrial talent to pass on the precise and consummate technologies by KaoMing. With the construction of the new plant to be completed in 2008, it makes the total area of the company 40,000 square meters.